Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a payment method from Play Store. So guys, if you have added your payment method to your Play Store and you want to remove it and you are unable to remove it, here I will show you how can you remove it. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply open your Play Store and then tap on your profile, and then you have to tap on payments and subscriptions, and once you are here you have to tap on payment methods, and here I have added my payment method, and here you can see there is no option to remove payment method. Since there is no option, you have to simply tap on more payment settings. So I simply tap on this and wait here for some seconds. So guys, once you are here you can easily see the remove option from here. So guys, you can see this, you can easily remove payment methods from here. So guys, simply tap on remove and it will be removed. So guys, you can see this, and you can also remove the other payment methods as well. So guys, here you can see this, the payment methods have been removed. And if you're not able to remove payment methods from here, then you have to open your Google account on your laptop or PC. Here you can see this, I have also opened it here, and now you have to simply sign in your Google account here, and after this you have to simply tap on this option, Google Apps. Here you can see this in the corner, and then you have to simply scroll it below and tap on play. Here you can see this Google Play. Simply tap on this, and from here you have to tap on your profile. Simply tap on your profile and then tap on payments and subscriptions, and here you will see all of your payment methods. From here you can also remove your payment methods from your PC or laptop. So as here you can see this, in this way you can also remove payment methods from your Google Play Store. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.